Tracy Morgan, known for his wild humor and larger-than-life personality, lives in a home that perfectly matches his style. Bold, extravagant, and full of surprises. His $13. $9 million mansion in Alpine, New Jersey isn't just a house. It's a 22-room palace that reflects the success he's built over decades in comedy and television. Let's take a look inside and uncover some of the most fascinating details about this lavish estate. A house fit for a king or a comedy legend. Nestled in the ultra-exclusive neighborhood of Alpine, New Jersey, Tracy Morgan's mansion is massive. We're talking 22,000 square feet of pure luxury. Alpine is one of the wealthiest zip codes in the U.S., home to celebrities and business moguls. Tracy's decision to live here puts him in the company of A-listers like Jay-Z and Chris Rock. But here's what makes this mansion stand out. It was originally owned by Eddie Murphy. Yes, one comedy legend passed it on to another. Eddie Murphy built the estate in the 1980s, and Tracy Morgan bought it in 2015 after his near-fatal accident, making it a fresh start in a home with comedic history. A 22-room wonderland. This isn't just a house, it's a full-fledged luxury resort. The mansion has 22 rooms, including multiple bedrooms, bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen, and even a movie theater. Imagine waking up, walking through grand hallways, and watching your favorite films in a private theater. Popcorn optional, but highly recommended. Some of the standout features include a massive indoor basketball court, because why go to the gym when you can shoot hoops inside your own house? A bowling alley. Game nights at Tracy Morgan's place must be legendary. A pool house with a state-of-the-art bar, perfect for summer parties and entertaining guests. A 5-car garage, necessary for someone like Tracy, who has a passion for luxury cars. With all these amenities, it's no surprise that his mansion is often described as a mini resort. 3. The famous Shark Tank. If you think a bowling alley and basketball court are impressive, wait until you hear about Tracy Morgan's personal Shark Tank. Yes, you read that right. He doesn't just watch Shark Tank on TV, he literally has one inside his home. Tracy has been vocal about his love for aquariums and exotic fish, and he took it to another level by installing a massive saltwater tank filled with real sharks. It's not just for show. He's passionate about caring for these creatures. In fact, his love for marine life even led to him appearing on the TV show Tanked, where he worked with professionals to design a custom aquarium. This is probably one of the most unique celebrity home features out there. Some stars collect artwork or designer furniture. Tracy Morgan collects sharks. The price tag and upkeep owning a $13.9 million home is one thing, but maintaining it is another story. A mansion of this size comes with huge upkeep costs. Property taxes alone in Alpine are sky high. Then there's the staff required to maintain the property, from housekeepers to groundskeepers who ensure everything looks flawless year-round. And let's not forget about the sharks. Caring for exotic marine life isn't cheap. Feeding them, maintaining water quality, and ensuring they stay healthy is an expensive hobby, but Tracy is committed to it. For most people, these costs might seem overwhelming, but for a comedy superstar with a $70 million net worth, it's just part of the lifestyle. Why he bought the mansion. Tracy Morgan purchased this home in 2015, shortly after his horrific car accident in 2014. The crash, which involved a Walmart truck, left him in critical condition and took months of rehabilitation. After receiving a multi-million-dollar settlement, Tracy decided he needed a fresh start. What better way to move forward than by buying a dream home once owned by his comedy idol, Eddie Murphy? This mansion symbolizes not just his success, but his resilience and second chance at life. Final thoughts. A home as unique as Tracy Morgan. Tracy Morgan's mansion is a reflection of his personality, bold, fun, and one of a kind. From the bowling alley to the Shark Tank, this home is more than just a luxury estate. It's a statement. Would you want to live in a house like this? Or maybe just spend a weekend experiencing its insane features? Either way, one thing is certain. Tracy Morgan knows how to live large,